station. It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi.
Whoa! This spiderweb looks amazing. You're right, Debo. Spiderwebs do have such artistic designs. I wonder, how do spiders make their webs? Yes, let's go find a spider to ask. I'm gonna need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Bonjour, I'm Spencer. You're just in time to watch me make my latest artistic creation.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you about to make a web?
I am. It's going to be my greatest masterpiece, the webbiest web of all time. Want to help?
Yeah, I really want to learn how spiders make their webs.
Time to create.
Debo, I'll be right back.
Blippi, you can be my holder and tester. My web will be a circle-shaped design with some triangles in the middle.
What kind of string do you use to make your web?
I use silk strands that I make myself, and they shoot out of my stomach. To a spider or bug, these strands are as strong as steel.
That is so cool!
Next, the circles to complete my masterpiece. Can you hold this strand in place, Blippi?
Yeah! Whoa! It is a circle shape!
Ah, perfect! Grab that strand, Blippi, to swing out for a look.
Whoa! Amazing! Wait! Is that a picture of me in your web?
It is you, my masterpiece. Now you can test it. Bounce against it. See if it holds.
Whee! Whoa!
The sticky part is for catching bugs to eat.
Your web is beautiful and useful, Spencer. And you answered my question. How do spiders make their webs? They use super strong and sticky silk strands to create a web with a cool circular design. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for showing us how you make a perfect web, Spencer. Bye-bye!
Au revoir!
I see the moon, stars, and is that a planet? Oh, it is, Tabs. Whoa! There's a whole area out there in space with the planets and the sun. It's called the solar system. I wonder, what planets are in the solar system? Good idea, Tabs. Let's go into outer space. I'm gonna need a rocket booster.
Rocket booster, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Now it's time to get planet size. Growing up! Right, Tabs, we're in space. Whoa, it's a meteor. Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Welcome to outer space. I'm Mary the Meteor.
I'm here to find out about all the planets in our solar system.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. Let's meet them, shall we? Closest to the blazing sun are the 2 smallest and hottest planets, Mercury and Venus.
Whoa, that is hot.
We should go. The 3rd planet is your home, Earth.
Hi, Mom.
Then there's Mars, the red planet. Mars is red because it's covered in rusty soil.
That's a lot of dust.
Come on! Next up is the giant Jupiter. bigger than all the planets combined. He doesn't scare me, though. Whoa! We should go!
We sure are a long way from the sun now.
Welcome to Saturn and her rings.
Whoa, they look beautiful. Can we get closer?
Of course!
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, whee!
Wait! We haven't finished yet.
On your left is Uranus, billions of miles from the sun, pretty cold.
Now let's hear it for the furthest, windiest, and coldest planet, Neptune!
Whoa! I have the answer to my question. What planets are in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Upload answer tabs. Thanks for the tour, Mary. That was wild.
See ya, Blippi! Time for a shower. A meteor shower!
Bye, Mary the Meteor. I love being at the beach. Whoa! A flying fish. I wonder, what's underneath the ocean? Good idea, Tabs. We can go into the ocean and find out. I'll need duck feet and a propeller.
Duck feet, propeller, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Wow! It's a whole other world down here. Is this like some kind of underwater forest?
Exactly! It is a forest! Welcome to my neighborhood. My name's Jerry the jellyfish.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're down here to see what's in the ocean.
Oh yeah, there's a lot. The ocean's full of surprises. I'll show you. I'm going to meet my friends. Well, I'll give you a tour along the way.
All right, thanks, Jerry.
First stop, our kelp forest. This kelp can grow up to 150 feet.
Wow, that's so tall.
Oh yeah, but sometimes the water current around here blows the kelp around.
Kelp! Kelp!
Oh no, this never happens.
Great idea, Tabs. Let's use the turbo boosters.
Oh good, glad you're okay. Let's move on.
Whoa! That fish is blue and has a long nose.
She's a blue marlin. She uses her nose to find and catch food. She's also really fast.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh no, this never happens.
Yeah, Tabs, it is dark in here. Wherever we are. Jerry! Jerry?
Blippi, is that you in there? Oh no, hold on. Whoa! I scared a gray whale and she blew you right out of her blowhole? That never happens.
Thanks for getting us out of there, Jerry. Oh, you're all lit up.
I told you the ocean was full of surprises, didn't I?
Hey, look, it's your friends.
Hiya, pals. You guys found me.
And I found the answer to my question. What's underneath the ocean? There's a kelp forest, blue marlins, huge whales, and a jellyfish that lights up. Upload answer tabs.
And we're only on chapter 1. In chapter 2, there's an octopus and a shark and a sea turtle and a tuna.
Bye, Jerry.
Oh, and there's an otter and a seahorse and a lobster and a stingray.
I love chocolate. Just a little bit now and then. Do you love it too, Debo? Oh, right. Dogs can't have chocolate. It hurts their tummies. I wonder, how are chocolate bars made? Great idea! We can go into that chocolate factory and find out. I'm gonna need wings, hovercraft, and a prop, and engine.
Wings, hovercraft, prop engine, confirmed.
Activate Blippi station. Shrinking down. The Blippi mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go meet some chocolate bars in the chocolate factory.
Hey there! You're not cocoa beans! I need them so we can start making chocolate bars.
I'm not a bean, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Hi, Blippi. Hi, Debo. I'm Barb the chocolate bar. Welcome to my chocolate factory.
Thanks, Barb. I'd love to see how chocolate bars are made. Can we come with you?
Absolutely. It all begins with cocoa beans. These beans come from plants.
So, how do beans become a chocolate bar?
They go on a little journey. First, a bean bath. Next, our beans get roasty and toasty. Then they get made into teeny weeny beans. Our bean powder then gets mixed with sugar and milk to make them sweet and smooth.
Woohoo! Come on, Debo, time to ski. No? But it'll be fun. It's chocolate bar Debo.
After the chocolate is cooled into bar shapes, we wrap them and they're ready. Ta-da!
Whoa! You both look alike. And I have the answer to my question. How are chocolate bars made? Cocoa beans get washed, heated, crunched, mixed with milk and sugar, and then cooled down into a chocolate bar. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for a sweet tour, Barb.
Anytime. Bye, Blippi.
Bye-bye. Woo. Wow, that bee sure seems busy. And so does that one. And that one too. They're all so busy. Well, except that one. Those bees are busy making honey. I wonder, how do bees make honey? Yes, let's go into the beehive. I'm gonna need wings and the excavator arm.
Wings, excavator arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi station. The Blippi mobile is ready for adventure. Now, we just need to make like a bee and be tinier. Shrinking down. You're right, Tabs. The bee's tongue is in the flower. Hey, it's me, Blippi. This is Tabs. I was wondering how you make honey.
Hey, Blippi, I'm Bijan. Honey, huh? This is the place to be. So I'm using my tongue to drink in this sweet nectar. It's how we bees start to make honey. Okay, time to buzz. Into the beehive. Follow me. Spoiler, lots of bees working. It's like a honey factory in there.
Bijan, are they all chewing nectar?
Sure are. Gotta chew, that's what we do. Chewing makes it thicker. Can't have runny honey. I rhymed again.
And after you chew, then you have honey?
No, there's more to show. We chew, then we swallow. The nectar stays in our bellies, becomes honey, then we put it in the honeycomb.
The honeycomb?
Yep, we store the honey in the honeycomb.
Maybe I can taste some honey.
Oh dear. This may look funny, but flapping our wings is how we make thicker honey. It's a bee thing.
Whoa! Yes, Tabs, I have the answer to my question. How do bees make honey? They get nectar from flowers, chew it, store it in their stomachs, then put the honey in a honeycomb and flap their wings over it. Upload answer, Tabs. Bye, Bijan. Thanks for being you.